Hey kids, Grandpa's been at it again. So I finally got this thing up, and I've discovered something. I've found a sure method to stop strong winds, and that is just put up a new windmill. I put this thing up, I'm going to say 2 weeks ago. Today's the first time in 2 weeks we've had any wind, and it's not much. It's enough to turn it, but right, it pumps air, but right now the pump's not hooked up. It's not actually doing anything except spinning around up there. And those wings on outriggers out there are for leverage. So it's on a transmission 16 to 1, so it goes around 16 times, rotates a wheel once, and the wheel has a peg on it, like a crankshaft in a car has a, like a little peg on it. And it moves a lever up and down one time up to intake air and one time down to compress it. But like I said, the pump's not hooked up right now, so if it were, this thing would be at a dead stop, like it's probably about to do now. Anyway, when I went in to get my phone, this thing was whirring around like an egg beater, and in just the amount of time it took to find my phone in the kitchen, come back out, and that's what we got. So that's all I know. Thanks for watching. Hmm.